Hello, Kennedy students. I'm Mrs. Dungey, and I'm going to read to you a story called The Flea's Sneeze. On a dark, dark night, on an old farm, in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old brown frog. Everyone slept peacefully except the flea. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him sniffle, sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed meow. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo-moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo-woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew. It reminded him of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes could even close, he began to doze. For the rest of the night, in that dark, dark night, on an old farm, in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old brown barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. I hope you enjoyed the story, and I hope that you might be able to remember some of those 11 animals that we talked about and read about in our story.